how to add a new row after every row in Excel. So if you want to add a new row after every row in Excel, then just follow the steps. First, you just need to simply go with a new column. And then, for example, I'll be writing a list for that column, name that column. And then you need to enter 1, 2, 3, 4, or just simply go and make a list. Once you've done that, now what you need to do is just simply copy this 4 and then again paste it right here. Once you've pasted, now you just need to simply copy everything and you need to insert a table. So go with insert and then go with table and you need to enter the table. And once you've inserted, now you just need to simply right click on it or right click on the table or just go with sort, which is here on the upper right. Go with the drop down and here you just need to simply sort from smallest to largest. Once you've done, now you just need to simply delete this column. Just go and delete and that's it. That's how you can add a row or a new row after every row in Excel. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.